In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on WhatsApp Web. We'll walk through this process together to ensure you're comfortable managing your WhatsApp connections and maintaining a communication space that feels right for you. Whether you're looking to create some breathing room or need to cut off contact entirely, blocking on WhatsApp Web is a straightforward procedure. To start, you'll need to have WhatsApp Web open on your computer. Navigate to the chat of the person you wish to block. You can easily find this person by scrolling through your list of ongoing chats or by using the search feature at the top of the WhatsApp Web interface. Once you've opened the chat, look at the top of the conversation window. You'll see the person's name prominently displayed. Clicking on their name will bring up their contact information. Alternatively, you can click on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the chat window if you're more comfortable with navigating through menu options. This method also brings up the contact's details, allowing you to proceed to the next step with ease. Once you have the contact information open, you'll want to scroll all the way to the bottom of this panel. This is where you'll find several options related to managing your interaction with this contact. It might take a moment if there are numerous details listed, but keep scrolling until you reach the end of the section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Block. When you click this, a confirmation prompt will appear. WhatsApp does this as a final check to ensure that you indeed want to block this contact. As this action will prevent them from contacting you or seeing your updates, it's a good time to remind yourself that blocking someone is a definitive and often significant decision, perfect for when you need a little privacy or to maintain your peace of mind. Go ahead and click Block again in the confirmation prompt to finalize the block. Once confirmed, this person will no longer be able to send you messages or see when you're online. Their previous messages will still be visible, but rest assured they cannot reach out to you anymore. Remember, while blocking someone is a helpful tool, it's important to consider the consequences and ensure this is what you want. If the situation changes or you simply decide to reconsider, you can always unblock the person following a similar procedure. So, there you have it, a concise and complete way to block someone on WhatsApp Web, giving you control over your digital communications and personal space. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Have a great day and happy chatting, or not chatting, as the case may be.